Greetings, health enthusiasts. You've tuned into Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your one-stop channel for holistic health and natural remedies. We're here to guide you through the exciting world of natural wellness, offering reliable, scientifically backed information on everything from essential oils to herbal supplements. We're committed to helping you discover the power of nature's pharmacy, one video at a time. Before we start our journey, do us a favor by hitting the like button and sharing this video. Now, prepare to immerse in the world of essential oils and aromatherapy. First off, what exactly are essential oils? These are potent, concentrated plant extracts that encapsulate the natural smell and flavor, or essence of their source. They're derived from various parts of plants, everything from the petals of a flower, to the peels of citrus fruits, to the leaves of herbs. The process of extracting these oils is often done through distillation, where steam or water is used to separate the oil from the plant. Alternatively, cold pressing is used, especially for citrus oils, where the oil is literally pressed out of the plant. There's a vast array of essential oils out there, each boasting its own unique aroma. Lavender oil, for example, is known for its calming properties, while peppermint oil is lauded for its invigorating scent. Eucalyptus oil, on the other hand, is often used for its refreshing and purifying qualities. Essential oils are more than just pleasant aromas. They have been used for centuries in various cultures for medicinal and health purposes. Now, let's dive into the captivating world of aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a beautiful art and science that uses the potent, distilled essences of plants, known as essential oils, to enhance physical and mental well-being. It's like a bridge, connecting us to the healing power of nature. There are several ways to use essential oils in aromatherapy. One popular method is diffusion, where the oil's scent is spread throughout a space, creating a calming atmosphere. Topical application is another method, where the oils are absorbed directly through the skin, often diluted with a carrier oil for safety. And let's not forget bath salts, a luxurious way to combine the benefits of aromatherapy with the relaxation of a warm bath. Each method offers a unique way to experience the beneficial properties of essential oils, whether you're seeking relaxation, a mood boost, a better night's sleep, or relief from minor discomforts. Aromatherapy can be a powerful tool for relaxation, sleep, mood enhancement, and even relief from minor discomforts. While essential oils are natural, they are also potent and must be used with caution. Just as with any substance, it's crucial to understand the safety measures needed when using essential oils. The first rule of thumb is dilution. Pure essential oils are highly concentrated and should always be diluted with a carrier oil or lotion before applying to the skin. Next, pregnancy brings about a time of heightened sensitivity. Certain oils can stimulate contractions or affect the baby, so it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before using them during this special time. Allergies can also be a concern. Just as some people are allergic to certain foods or plants, the same can hold true for essential oils. It's always wise to perform a small skin patch test before full application. Lastly, never ingest essential oils without the guidance of a qualified professional. They are potent substances that can have serious side effects if taken internally without proper knowledge. Remember, when used correctly, essential oils can be a wonderful addition to your natural health toolkit. As always, consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. We've covered a lot today, from the basics of essential oils to the wonders of aromatherapy. We've journeyed through the essence of nature, understanding the therapeutic benefits and safety precautions. It's been a fascinating exploration, hasn't it? Aromatherapy isn't just about pleasant fragrances. It's a doorway to holistic health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this aromatic journey. Stay tuned to Natural Lifestyle Remedies for more insightful content on holistic health. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the power of nature.